Hey, are you thinking about making a move to the McKinney, Texas area, but you're not quite sure what's going on in the real estate market today? Well, in this video, we are going to introduce you to the city of McKinney. We're going to take you around and show you some homes in the $700,000 range so that you might be able to see what may fit into your style and budget in the $700,000 range.
Saludos y bienvenido a nuestro canal y a la ciudad de McKinney, Texas. Hey, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about eating, living, working, playing in McKinney, Texas, or any of the other Dallas, Texas suburbs like Frisco, Allen, Plano, subscribe below, tap that notification bell so that you can be the first to know about the current market in the Dallas area. Hi guys, my name is Marilyn. This is Mike, my husband.
Hey.
And we get calls every single day from people just like you who are looking to make a move into the area. And we absolutely love it. So whether you're needing to move in the next few days, the next few weeks, the next few months, don't be shy, reach out to us, give us a call. Even if you're just gathering information, give us a call. All our information, as I said, is down below. We'd love to hear from you via text, email, call, or a Zoom call.
All right, so just to give you a quick overview of McKinney. So McKinney is located in the North Dallas area, probably about 30 to 40 minutes north of actually downtown Dallas, straight up 75, Highway 380 area. It's very close to popular areas like Frisco, Allen, Plano, Princeton. But it's a hot area, a lot going on in McKinney these days, so make sure you stay updated with us on a lot of the current information. The current population is around 211,000 and growing every day. A lot of people moving into McKinney. And the median income is about $98,317 or so. So a lot going on in McKinney. Make sure you keep up with us because it is a changing market daily.
So one of the reasons why McKinney is so popular, it's because of the independent school district. McKinney ISD is rated A overall through a platform called niche.com, and they rate them for teachers, academics, activities, sports, things to do. And so it is rated an A overall. Now, another reason why McKinney is so popular, it's because of its amenities that it offers the residents. So right now we are in a quaint shopping center here. We're in front of Palio's. They're not open right at the moment, but there's plenty of places to eat. There's plenty of places to shop. And also, if you are an outdoor kind of person and you love to hike, bike, just be outside, there's plenty of green space in McKinney. So give us a call if you're interested.
So let's talk about the current real estate market in McKinney. So right now there are, as of this video, there are 385 active listings and they've been on the market for 71 days. The average asking price of those listings is $719,000. Over the past 90 days from sales, there have been 683 homes that have been sold at an average sales price of $574,000. And those homes were on the market for 38 days. Now, interest rates are a little bit higher now, a little bit lower inventory, so homes are lasting a little bit longer on the market. That's why those homes were on the market for so long. But as we said, today we are going to be showing you homes in the $700,000 range. So there are currently 40 active listings in that $700,000. And the average asking price for those is $748,670. And the average days on the market is 66. So they are creeping up a little bit. So sit back and buckle up because we're going to take you around McKinney, Texas and show you homes in the $700,000 range. So we'll see you on the other side. All right, so welcome to our first stop in the What Can You Get for $700,000 tour of McKinney, Texas. And you can't tell from here, but we are at the end of a cul-de-sac. It's a great big cul-de-sac here, so very private area, very quiet street here in the north area of McKinney. This is going to be a newer area because this home is built in 2016. So we're stepping up in price. and we're stepping up in area. So this home behind me is currently listed at right at $700,000. It's built in 2016. It's 3,040 square foot, so that's $230 a square foot. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. Obviously, you can see a 2-car garage, and it's been on the market for 41 days. What I love about the house is the beautiful, the custom elevation. You got the brown pillars, the brown shutters, garage door, the beautiful white stone and brick. It all kind of goes together, looks great, beautiful elevation. Inside, there are ceramic tile floors and wood in the first floor area, carpets all throughout the second. There's a large game room and 3 additional rooms up. But really cool backyard features a brand new sparkling pool and lots of extra grassy area. So you can enjoy the pool and then get out and play around the grassy area at the back. The amenity center is located very close to here. It has 2 resort-style pools, workout area, and a clubhouse area, very close to elementary schools and middle schools and high schools. And one of the great things about this neighborhood in particular, since it's in the north area of McKinney, it's located in the Prosper ISD. So we're going to take you around the neighborhood now so you can see what you can get for $700,000 in McKinney. So stick around and we'll see you on the other side.
All right, guys, so here we are at our second stop in What Can You Buy for $700,000 in McKinney, Texas. And this beautiful home behind me is currently listed for $730,000. It was built in 2003. It is 3,728 square feet, making the price per square foot $194. This home is 5 bedrooms. It has 4 full baths. And as you can see, it's got a 3-car garage with an amazing swing driveway, so plenty of space for parking. And right now, this home is currently been sitting on the market for 91 days. Now, this home sits on an oversized lot. It's almost 1/4 acre. It does sit on the corner. And what I love about this specific home is that if you, across the street, there is sort of like a green belt with some park benches. And as we were driving through this neighborhood, we noticed that the streets were wide, or the sidewalks were wide. So if you're a jogger or you've got fur babies that you want to walk, it's an amazing time to walk and be under a canopy of trees. Now, as far as the home inside, it is really beautiful. It's an open concept living area and kitchen area. It's got a huge granite countertop for entertaining. It's got a large 5 gas burner stove. And there are 2 bedrooms down. So if you have like an older parent that needs to stay with you for a while, this is great. And then it has 3 bedrooms up. It's got a fantastic media room. And it's also close to the amenity center that has pools. It's got a running path, park, playground. And this property, or this home, this community is located within the McKinney ISD, which we said, it's one of the highly coveted ISDs in the state of Texas. Plus, you're in the heart of McKinney. And as we said, McKinney is a great place because it has a lot of green space, shopping, and eating. So if you're interested in this home, give us a call. We can give you some more information. But before you leave, we're going to drive you around so you can take a look at these beautiful wide streets and these canopy of trees that this neighborhood offers.
All right, so we are at our last stop in the What Can You Get for $700,000 tour of McKinney, Texas. And we are right now at the end of a beautiful cul-de-sac. So you have a private street area. And as you can see, we're going to pan around here to the left. There is a walking trail adjacent here to the green belt. And just seen several people walking on the path here. It continues all the way around the neighborhood to the left. So you have a great place to start your day or end your day. In this, this is more of an established neighborhood. So we're going to have some larger lots here that we're offering. So this home behind me here is currently listed at $764,900, built in 1999. It's 3,314 square foot, so that's $234 a square foot. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 2-car garage, and it's been on the market now for 57 days. So like I say, it's more of an established neighborhood, and so you're getting a little bit more house and a little bit larger lot in a really cool, tucked away, great area of McKinney. It's a very spacious home throughout, as you can see. We have some hardwood floors on the first floor. There's some custom light fixtures. There's a lot of custom built-ins throughout the house as well, and also in the closet. So a lot of great closet space that you can use with custom built-ins. Also, one of the things that you will notice about the house, it's a beautiful backyard oasis. There's a lot of private shaded areas with with shade trees, and places to sit so you can enjoy your pool or you can entertain outside in some of the sitting areas. And it's also got an outdoor kitchen. Now, this home is located within the McKinney ISD. It's just right around the corner from the elementary and the middle school. So stick around. We're going to drive you around the neighborhood here so you can see what homes look like in this neighborhood. All right, guys. Well, we appreciate you sticking around to the end and hope you get a better idea of what you can get for $700,000 in McKinney. We really enjoyed taking you around and showing you some of these neighborhoods.
And guys, again, as we always say, if you're needing to move in a week, in a few days, in a month, a year from now, or maybe you don't even have a date to move, but you just want to gather information, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or better yet, book a Zoom call with us. We'd love to give you all the information on any of these amazing communities in the North Dallas area. Again, we look forward to hearing from you, but until then, we look forward to showing you around town the next time. Take care, guys.
All right, bye-bye.